the mud. Nothing like taking a brand new bike straight to the mud. All right, so I've kind of realized I don't really want to do full laps right now because it's pretty muddy. So we're gonna focus on getting some singular clips here. I went to shift down because I haven't ridden in so long. I came over that double and I went to shift down and hit my shifter and I pulled the clutch in, like the whole deal. All right, we got this thing on 80 horse because I want to get a sick wheelie clip, but it's so soft, I need all the horsepower. Oh, that's sick. Ugh. Perfect way to break in a brand new bike. I should caption it, I ruined my brand new bike. That's all right, this dirt washes off pretty easily. And I'm used to cleaning white, so